I haven't done this in so long. I'm like, I don't even know how I want to start this video anymore. Welcome back to Nia Zamar's channel. It's been a hot minute. We've done a few things together. We did pretty culture, and just mostly focused on some self-love things. But I wanted to do some more beauty things for you, just bringing back some of what I've done in the past, and also just because truthfully I'm working on my new look. I had some folks on my Instagram vote what it would be, and everybody voted kinky curly hair, which I did not have. I either put up wavy hair or kinky curly hair. This is wavy hair, but I used a wand. Y'all, I had found like the best wand on Amazon. Legit the best wand. I'm gonna have to show it to y'all. I'm gonna show it to y'all before the end of the video because this wand is giving me life. And this hair is not my favorite hair. It mats. This one is in my hair right now. It mats so much, it gets so knotted. It's just not my favorite. But the wand makes it so much better. So much better. Anywho, different video, different time. Why we're doing this video today is I voted and I asked folks to vote, and everybody voted for me to do a kinky curly look. And I was like, okay, well, which I've done before, like many years ago, like 7 years ago. So the vendor I got my hair from before, I love that hair so much, but they no longer are around. So I was like, I guess I gotta start from scratch. So I started doing research, and I found a few videos that actually I went on AliExpress and I found one company that everybody had to order from, and I was like, okay, they must be lit. Everyone's saying do kinky curly hair. If I'm gonna do it, I might as well try a vendor that is a little bit more secure, I guess, like I felt more secure about. And I researched for hours, many different vendors. A lot of the companies didn't really have kinky curly hair. Like they had textures like this one, which I already have. So I kind of was like, that would defeat the point, you know? And I wanted something that was closer to what I had had in the past. If I can find a picture of what I had in the past, I will drop it in this video just to give you a sense of like what my goal was. And then I decided to, you know, why not? Why not try the company that everybody's talking about? So I decided to try out icyhair.com. And a lot of the reviews that I saw were older reviews from a few years ago. So I figured, why not give y'all something up to date, particularly for folks who've been rocking with me for a while. I haven't done anything very much beauty specific in a little while. I've been doing a lot of self-love stuff for the past year or so. So I wanted to, you know, flex this muscle again. No further ado, because I've been talking for so long. This is the packaging it came in. So it came in like an actual, you know, the DHL plastic bag. So it came in that. But once I opened the DHL plastic bag, it was in this, which is cool. It feels like a little bit of an upgrade because a lot of folks online at the time that they ordered, it wasn't coming in these packages. From what I saw, it just came in plastic bags prior to. So it looks like from all the reviews that people have been doing, they decided to upgrade their packaging. And we love a cute little bag. We love a cute bag, especially for when you have leftover hair and you gotta put it somewhere. And inside of the bag came this, I've opened this already, so I'm just kind of sharing with y'all, but inside of the bag came this pamphlet, which I appreciated. Legit inside the pamphlet, it tells you if you do a video, what could happen in terms of views, but I don't know, I just think it's kind of like funny. But mostly what I really like about this is it gives you some hair care tips for like brushing, washing, air drying, mousse, and daily care. So just how do you care for this hair? Because I feel like with kinky curly hair, like you need to know. Like even this hair, I've been getting it to act a little better because I've been putting less product in it and mostly just doing like literally water and conditioner. And then just a tad bit of like something to smooth it over. Yeah, so I think it's good to know with any kind of texture hair or curly hair what to expect. The 6x6 closure, because that's kind of like where I'm at right now. Like I'm here for a good frontal, but I don't really like the work that I feel like goes into making a frontal look cute. I prefer a closure. I feel like I can make a closure look cute real quick with like minimal effort, to be honest with you. And that's where I'm at in my life right now. I'm trying to put minimum effort into my look, but still look cute. I usually don't like lashes from companies, but the lashes that they provided are just not that bad at all. Like, because y'all know how it can be. These companies be sending like the worst plastic looking, like who's gonna wear that kind of lashes? Personally, in my opinion. But I actually like these. These are mink lashes, and I'm actually like, this is a look. I will actually wear this for my birthday. These are probably my birthday lashes. My 30th is coming up. And I feel like for my 30th, I could rock these with this hair. I'm gonna be in New Orleans. I'm gonna be that bitch. Like, what's good? I don't remember how much I paid for my hair. I definitely bought it during one of their sales, which I think they have quite a bit. But I bought it during one of their sales. I think it was like their something anniversary sale, 2-year anniversary sale. And I felt like the price was a reasonable price. Like, it was in USD, so transferring it to Canadian, it was still quite a bit of money. But I don't think there's a way to, based on what other things I saw that were more money, I don't think there's a way around like paying quite a bit of money when it comes to hair, and particularly if you want quality hair, if you want lots of hair, if you want something that's a special texture hair in comparison to like straight or wavy hair. So all that to be considered. Okay, so this is what 6x6 closure looks like. This is 16 inches. So I just want y'all to see, like, if you order 16 inches, you're pretty much gonna do a bob. Like, that's what 16 inches looks like. But stretched, it's pretty long. Like, it's a long length if it's stretched. It's just that it's really short, just regular speaking. I'm eyeballing this, like I haven't measured it or anything. So I don't know like if they're to length. I will measure it probably once it's actually made, just because it'll be easier for me to do so. But so far the hair feels good actually, and like the bounce back game is strong, so I'm here for that. And it comes with baby hair. I don't really love baby hair, but it's cool because, you know, you can just cut it and shape it up and make it what you want. But I'm glad that the edges are already plucked, so it'll just be easier to install. And then this will give me a nice like what's it called, body at the top or whatever. Like having a shorter length at the top is what I plan for, is to have more body. Like I want more of that like curl, like roundness, than like something like this is just a little bit more. But I don't know, I'm definitely here for this. It's my first time getting a 6x6 closure, and like I feel like this frontal I have on might as well be a 6x6 closure, because it really does run like from temple to temple and then all the way back, which is what I wanted. I had to cut a frontal to do this, so I'm glad that I don't have to do that, and it just comes ready to go like this, pretty big, giving me lots of space to part wherever I want to part. I love a good middle part, but sometimes, you know, bitch love a side part too. So yeah, I'm here for this. I definitely am liking it. I feel like the density is a great density. Like it's thick enough. It's definitely not an issue at all. I'm here for it. I'm actually pretty excited to make this wig and wear it, because I plan for it to be my like look. Like I usually change my hair all the time, but I'm just getting tired of doing that shit. I don't know how y'all feeling financially, emotionally, physically. I just don't have time for that shit no more. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the 22 and the 26 inches. Just so you can get a sense of lengthwise. So this is what it looks like. This is what the kinky curly looks like. Like, it really does look like a tight curl. There's definitely a coil to this. It gets real thin at the ends though, it's the only thing. Real thin at the ends, like y'all can see these ends are thin. But I guess it's not too bad, because when you put it all together, it will just blend. And this is, what is this in my hand? 22. So this is 22. So this for me would like sit somewhere like here. Like this. So this is 22. Honestly, I'm so glad I got 26. I thought like I was maybe doing the most or getting it too long. It's not. It's not. Cause like, if I do 26 at the nape, it's gonna just hit me like right here. I think this is probably around the same length, to be honest with you. Like it literally just hits right here. So honestly, if you're wanting long hair, I think this is the longest they have, 26. I don't think they go to like 30 or anything like that. So just know that, like if you're wanting long hair, that this is what 26 is gonna look like. I got like 3 seconds, but yeah, so once I actually install this hair, I will update y'all and let y'all know. Peace.